Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Saniksha Adnani. If you're new here, I'm a beauty educator. I live in Dubai, and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. Super easy to follow look using the Mercury Retrograde palette, the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I've created so many more looks. I'll link them down below. And without wasting any more time, let's get started with the tutorial. I've already done my eyebrows, and for my eyelid, use the NARS concealer. This is in light 2.75 and called Canelle. Lately, I've been loving this base for my eyelid. It just makes the color pop and it stays all night long. Now, to continue with the previous tutorial that I created, like super dramatic, I'm gonna continue doing that. And to do that, I'm first gonna take this minty green shade called Haze. I'm gonna add it to my outer corner, pack it really well. It's a pastel color, so you'll have to go a bit slow while packing the color, but it's quite pigmented. And when there's very little color left on the brush, I'm adding it to the crease and onto the nose, so everything looks connected. I'm just gonna blend it out a bit more to make my eyes look longer, bigger. I've taken one more layer, so I'm gonna start with the outer corner, and then when there's little color left, I'm gonna add it to my crease as my transition shade. Just adding on the outer corner and onto my crease. Next, I'm going to take this color Mercury on a flat shader brush. This blue is like my most favorite shimmery blue color. I think I've used this blue so many times and I just can't get over it. Like, I love it every time. Every time I use it, every time I fall in love with it. I could use this color like just all over my eyelid and I would be done. You just need to work very slow with this shade. You have to pack it, then move ahead, then again pack it, and then move ahead. As usual, Huda's formulas are like always so different. This one is also like that. It's a very different formula. I love this color so much. Now I'm gonna take this beautiful wine color called Hot Mess, and I'm gonna pack it towards my outer corner to deepen the outer corner a bit more. Don't worry about all the fallout because we're gonna clean it out soon. That's my second layer. I'm just gonna pat and add it to intensify a bit more. Just gonna add some more. Oh, it matches my hair. Didn't realize that. Now after patting, I'm just gonna blend it all over the crease. First I'll blend the edges over here, and then I'll take it towards the inside and blend some more. I'm taking this wine color Hot Mess again on the same brush and just adding some more color because I felt it was losing the intensity when I was blending it. Just patting and adding. Once I've added all the color, I'm just gonna blend it. I'm blending the whole crease from the inner corner to the outer corner, and that's about it. Oh my god, I am loving this. It looks beautiful till now, and I'm gonna quickly clean all the fallout and I'm gonna do my base makeup and I'll be right back. I'm back after doing my face makeup. So for primer, I use the Huda Beauty primer and the Makeup Forever primer for my nose and the sides of my nose. And for foundation, I use the new Huda Beauty foundation, some Huda Beauty cream contour, some POREfessional spray. Love this spray so much. And for blush, I use the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. This one is in warm peach, and Island Ting bronzer by Fenty Beauty, and the Fenty Beauty highlight for the top of my cheekbone. This one is in Trophy Wife. Huda Beauty concealer in 18 and Granola, my favorite, all-time favorite concealer. And yeah, I think that's about it. And the Fenty Beauty powder. Now let's finish the eye makeup. Finish the eye makeup. I'm first taking the color Vortex and Hot Mess. I'm adding this to the lower lash line, midway till the corner. Then I'm gonna take my favorite Mercury shade and I'm adding this to the inner corner and joining it to the top corner. Next, I'm adding the Urban Decay pencil on my lower lash line, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. This one is in black. This is their 24/7 pencil. Love this pencil. I use it in all my looks because they don't leak. and they remain the way it is, and it's so dark. I'm gonna add some She Glam lashes and be right back. So I went ahead and added some lashes, and for lipstick this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in Feminist and Revolutionary. Love this combination. I've never tried it before, and I totally love it, especially the color Revolutionary is such an amazing brown color, looks beautiful. And now that's the final look using the Huda Beauty Retrograde palette. Another look, and I'm so happy I created one more look with this palette. I love this palette so much. I love the shimmery colors. I give this palette like a 10 on 10. Oh, and I forgot to use this color. That's the white shimmery color. I'm just gonna add a bit on the inner corner. It's my favorite part to do that, and that's it. And hopefully I'll see you soon in my next tutorial. Don't forget to press the like and subscribe button if you liked my tutorial, and I'll be posting some more tutorials super soon, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.